Get this amazing reward for free today. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure guys you check UFO187 English Masterclass for more interesting content and more interesting guides. All you need to do, just open Discord today like me and join UFO187 Discord. Move here to discover and move here to quests. And you will see Warhammer 40,000 Tacticus quest. Claim a Tacticus reward pack. Just watch this trailer to win a Tacticus reward pack. Just go start video quest, click on it and watch this trailer to end. You will see up here your progress is going. Just watch this trailer to end. Also you will get here a redeem code. After watching this video, just go here claim reward, click on it, verify here like me, and you will get redeem code in game. And type your code under input code and read them in your game. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward Tacticus reward pack. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.